Today we have a small table lamp, and we're going to show you how to change the shade. The first thing we're going to do is just kind of inspect the lamp overall condition. What condition is the cord in? Does it have a polarized plug? Is the switch in good condition? We'll need to check the body of the lamp. Is it sturdy? Is the nut on the bottom loose? We'll check the condition of the socket. Right, so the socket seems to be in good shape. No cracks, burns, dried out spots. So to replace this shade, we're going to need a few components. We're going to need a new shade, a harp, a new harp saddle, and a finial. First we'll start by putting the harp into the harp saddle. So this is a standard harp and it comes with a saddle, but because this is a Scandinavian or European style socket, we need a different type of harp saddle. This harp saddle is called a GU or Nord style harp saddle. There are two different harp saddles that fit plastic style sockets on the market. This one is, again, European. This one over here serves more of an American market, and this type of harp saddle would fit on the American style socket. Our GU or Nord ring slips over and doesn't fit. So there's two different sizes. Okay, so we're going to start by removing the harp saddle, pull up the locks, squeeze it tight, and it releases. And we're going to put it into our new harp saddle. And it doesn't seem like it's going to fit very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these out just a little bit, make them have a wider stance so that they will lock in to this harp saddle a little better. Make sure my locks come in place. Now we're ready to put it on the socket. The new harp saddle slips over the socket, and the retaining ring goes back onto the socket. So now that we've replaced the old shade that had the integrated ring with a new harp and harp saddle, we have a post, a threaded post that will fit on our shade washer. That shade will get locked into place with this finial.